Yeah, I'm gonna do a comparison video on the two bird feeders. One has a solar panel up on top, and here's the other one. The other one has one where you just put the panel on the side. They're both really good bird feeders. I'll go over each one. Really easy to fill up with seeds. You just flip over, open the top, fill it up, click it back down. It also comes with a couple other, like where you can put fruit here, but we just used bird seed. We get a lot of cardinals and blue jays. Has a camera on there. My wife has the camera, the app on her phone where it links up to, and both of these are same brand, so they both use the same app, which works out really good. Like I said, this one has a brown top on it. It has the panel on the side. You just mount it to, you can mount it to the wall or to the post or whatever. The red one fills up the same way. You just fill it up. It has the cords right here. The cord runs the solar panel. You just make sure you just, when you put it back, make sure you don't pinch the cord. Really easy to use. Like I said, this one here also comes with a, where you can attach the little stands for the fruit. But like I said, we just used for the bird seed, sunflower seed, bird seed. It has little worms we put on there, peanuts for the blue jays and cardinals. Both of them really good bird feeders. You can adjust this camera however, you can make it go up or down. We got it right in the middle so you can see the birds real good when they come. I'll put a couple pics in the video where you can see what the birds look like when they come. But, two really cool bird feeders. If you're looking for one or two good ones, check these out. I highly recommend them. We've had them for several months now. We get birds, especially all day long, but especially in the morning and usually an hour or two before dark. They pile in here and get them some dinner and head on out to the nest. But check both these out. I highly recommend them. Here's a quick video of one of the blue jays coming in for a bite to eat. Really cool to watch.